Okay, this model kit review is of the Super Puma, and it is a 1/72nd scale model, and it's by Heller. This is an older kit. Let's see here. There's much. Let's have a look here. We've got some decals, some details here about the helicopter, and don't see any dimensions there. Those are the colors needed there. Let's have a look. Well, there we go. Actually, there's the dimensions for the model. Length is 260 millimeters, 78 pieces, and we've got two different options there for painting. The box opens up like that. We've got instructions and decals. And this is an older kit. It's an old method of making the sprues, and it's also this slightly odder plastic. So let's have a look here. Let's see what we've got. So first of all, here we've got our glass, and you can see our doors. So it looks like the doors are molded in the glass, and you've got to paint them, which is a little bit of a pain. I'm not really a fan of that. That's a little annoying. And then the same thing with the nose and cockpits for the windshield. We've got some more glass pieces here for side windows. Okay, let's have a look at our body here. Raised panel lines. It's this very super flexible plastic, which I guess is fine. Just not used to that. No real details on the inside there, so we'll have to look and see the instructions. Here's the other side. Same thing on this side. And some parts have fallen off already. We'll have a look at these here. Looks like these are going to be for the side pods for the landing gear there, and that's the other part of the side pod there. Looks like these are going to go on something over there. Then some more body parts here. Here we've got a little tail wing there, and then the top of our rotor. And not sure what these are going to be for. We'll have to look at the instructions. Got some little vanes on the side, a little handle there. Over here we've got probably part of our air intake for the engine. There's the other part of the air intake, that's probably for the exhaust. So over here we've got our rotor blades. We do have some mold lines or edges there, as you can see. And then these ejector pins have left marks that will need to get filled. This is probably part of our engine bay there. We've got our wheels and landing gear, and those are our control sticks there, and pedals. Now over here we've got our tail rotor and other parts for the main rotor. We've got, this looks like part of our cockpits. We've got our two engines there, and seats. Molding quality is very poor, and it's just really old. Not a lot of detail. Here's our cockpit. That's the cockpit there with the cargo bay. So, you know, not a lot of detail here. Molding quality is a little old. Here's our decals. Decals really are amazing. We've got some details there for our instrument panel, and then just really amazing, these decals are tremendous. Okay, let's have a look at our instructions here. So, details there again about the helicopter. Those are the colors needed. Okay, so we're going to start off with, so this is starting off with our cockpit, putting our seats together, and the instrument panel. There's our engines going in, and the exhaust part there. We're starting to build our main rotor. The rest of the cockpit parts go in. So I'm not really sure if you'd need to have that thing open or closed. I guess those are the two options there. Mounting everything inside the cockpit. And then we've got our nose wheel there, and then our main gear. Here we've got our side pods for the landing gear. And then I don't even know what that is. Not really sure what that is. Here's our tail rotor. This is for the entrance to the cockpit, the firewall, some parts here for our nose, and then all the parts going on together. So all the doors and glass, main rotor all get mounted inside the body before it's put together. Don't forget to paint the inside. And then here we've got our main rotor and tail rotor going on, as well as our side pylons and landing gear. So that's looks like that's what that is. It's just a little landing or stepping ledge, and then our nose cone and windshield goes on. Turning it over there, we've got our wheels going on, and then other parts for the helicopter with the little vents and vanes and so on. And I don't even know what that thing's supposed to be, but it goes on the bottom. Okay, so over here we've got our two decal and paint guides. So this is for the French. Lots of decals, which is really amazing. And then here's the Swiss. So mold quality and really model detail is not great. Decals are phenomenal there.